children. Today we'll start with Chapter 8 Fractions. Let us start with a real life example. Here you can see the picture of a pizza and a chocolate. You can see the pizza is divided into 8 equal parts and the chocolate is divided into 4 equal parts. A fraction can be represented in the form A by B, where A is the numerator and B is the denominator. The total part is the denominator and the number of parts taken is the numerator. Now, what is the definition of fraction? A fraction is a number that describes a relationship between a part represented by the numerator and a whole represented by the denominator. You can see the figure shown here. The shaded part is 3 part and the total part is 5. And you can see the all 5 parts are equal. So fraction is always taken for equal parts. So the numerator, the shaded part is 3. The denominator is the total part, that is 5. And the line between 3 and 5 is called as fraction bar. So fraction is written in the form 3 by 5. Now, fraction can be defined as a part of a whole. Also, fraction is a collection or a group of objects. Now, here you can see the two examples. First, let us see fraction, a part of a whole. Now, you can see the whole part. You have shaded part half. So, that is 1 by 2. Here, the next figure, you can see the whole part is divided into 4 equal parts and shaded part is 1. So, 1 by 4. And in the third figure, you can see the whole part is divided into 3 equal parts and the shaded part is 1. So 1 by 3. And in the fourth figure, you can see the whole part is again divided into 4 parts, but the shaded part is 3. So the fraction is 3 by 4. Now let us take the other case. Fraction is a collection or group of objects. Now here you can see there are group of some objects in the form of circle it is shown, and you can see yellow is only 4 parts. So the total number of circles or the total number of objects here is 12, and out of that you have yellow part 4. So 4 you have as the numerator and the total part is 12 is the denominator. The fraction can be expressed as 4 by 12. Now these are few examples of fractions: 3 by 9, 4 by 8, 12 by 16. Now how can you compare fraction which is greater and which is smaller? There are 3 ways of comparing fraction when the denominators are same. When the denominators are same, you have to just observe the numerators. The numerator, whichever is greater, is the bigger fraction. So here you can see an example, 4 by 6 and 5 by 6. Obviously, 5 is a bigger number and the denominators are same. You can see 6 here. So 5 by 6 is greater than 4 by 6. Now the second case, when the numerators are same and the denominators are different. Now in this case, if two fractions have same numerators, then the fraction with larger denominator is smaller and vice versa. So here you can see denominators 4 and 6 and the numerators are same. So the larger denominator will be smaller. So 3 by 4 will be greater than 3 by 6. By figure also you can observe and understand. Now let us discuss the third case. Now here you can see the fraction 2 by 3 or 4 by 5, which is greater. Now in this case you can see numerator denominator are different. So in such a case you have to make the denominator same. So how can you make the denominator same? By multiplying with some number, and whatever number you will multiply the denominator, you will multiply the numerator also by the same number. So to make the denominator same in both case, you can multiply 3 by 5 and 5 by 3 in the next fraction. So 3 into 5 is 15 and 5 into 3 is also 15. Whatever you do in the denominator, you will do the same thing for the numerator also. So first fraction 2 by 3, you multiply by 5. So 2 into 5 and 3 into 5. So 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. So the fraction becomes 10 by 15. And the next fraction, if you take 4 by 5, so 4 into 3, because you want to make the denominator same, so you want to make the denominator 15. So 4 into 3 and 5 into 3. So 4 into 3, 12, 5 into 3, 15. So the fraction becomes 12 by 15. Now easily you can compare when the denominators are same, you have to just see the numerator. So now you can easily say that 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. So 12 is more. So 4 by 5 is greater than 2 by 3. Types of fractions. Now let us discuss what are the different types of fraction. Proper fraction. What are proper fraction? Numerator is smaller than denominator. And then improper fraction. Numerator is larger than denominator. And what are mixed fraction? Whole number and a fraction. It is a mixture of two, whole number and a fraction. Now children, don't get confused between proper and improper fraction. Remember one point. For proper fraction, the answer on dividing you will get less than 1, and for improper fraction, when you divide, the answer will be always greater than 1. Now what is unit fraction? A fraction with numerator 1 is called a unit fraction. You can observe the figures here. In all cases, you can see the shaded part is only 1. So 1 by 2, in the next figure 1 by 4. Now the whole part is divided in 7 equal parts and one part is shaded 1 by 7. And the whole circle is divided into 16 parts and one part is shaded 1 by 16. In all the 4 cases, you can see the numerator is 1. Such fraction, when the numerator is 1, it is called as unit fraction. Now, how to change mixed fraction to improper fraction? Now, here a mixed fraction is given 3 by 4. Now, the rules are multiply the denominator and the whole number. Add the answer to the numerator. Now, let us multiply and see. 4 into 3, 12 plus 3, that is 15. So it will be 15 by 4. So the improper fraction will be 15 by 4. See, the denominator will not change. The denominator remains the same, 4. Now let us see the reverse, how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. Now here is an improper fraction given, 7 by 3. Now the rules, first you have to divide 7 by 3. So if you divide, 3 twos are 6 and 1 is the remainder. So how to write? The whole part is the quotient. You can see here 3 is the divisor, 2 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. So the divisor will remain the same. The denominator will not change. Remember children, the denominator will be same. So 7 by 3, the denominator will be 3. Now only remember the quotient is the whole part. So it will be 2 1 by 3. The quotient is the whole part, the remainder is the numerator and the divisor is the denominator. The divisor will be same or the numerator denominator will be same. There also you can see 7 by 3. Here also 2 1 by 3. The denominator doesn't change. Let us see few more examples. The first one is changing mixed to improper fraction. The mixed fraction is 2 3 by 4. So you will multiply 4 into 2 plus 3. So 4 into 2, 8 plus 3 by 4. The denominator is unchanged. The denominator is same. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 by 4 is the improper fraction. Now let us see how to change another example, improper to mixed fraction. The improper fraction is 15 by 7. So you will divide 15 by 7. So 7 twos are 14. Again remember the denominator is unchanged. So the denominator will be 7. The quotient will be the whole part, 2 and the remainder will be the numerator. So 2 1 by 7 is the mixed fraction. Hope you have understood children. Thank you. Keep practicing.